Hi friends, this video shows how to restart OpenClaw. Here I have installed OpenClaw in Ubuntu virtual machine running on AWS cloud. So let me go to this terminal. So here I am going to run this command OpenClaw logs --- follow. Using this command we would be able to see live logs. So let me run this command. See. So let me keep this command running here. Then go to first terminal. So here I am going to run this command OpenClaw Gateway restart. This command will restart OpenClaw Gateway. So that way we can restart OpenClaw. So let me run this command. So when we run this command, if you want to check the log, you can go to this terminal. Here you would be able to see the logs. Done. So we have other commands like OpenClaw Gateway stop. Then OpenClaw Gateway start. If you want to check the status of OpenClaw Gateway, you can use the status command. The command is OpenClaw Gateway status. So this way we can check whether OpenClaw is running or not. Please wait. See, here it says system D enabled and OpenClaw is running. Okay, so there is one more command, OpenClaw status. Using this command, we would be able to see the status of OpenClaw, then channels and models. See, this is the output. So here you can see the URL where this OpenClaw dashboard is available, and here you can see the Linux. It says where this OpenClaw has been installed. Then if we go down, and here you can see the channel that I have configured here. It says Telegram, that is enabled. Then go down, and here you can see the model that I have configured, GPT 4.1 mini. Okay, so this way we can check a status. We can restart OpenClaw. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.